Children were rightfully excited when they visited a flight training school in Nakhon Pathom on Saturday, January 14. While there, they had a front row seat to a colorful air show conducted by the Royal Thai Air Force in celebration of the National Children's Day. Several F-16s and AU-23 planes soared overhead and with red, white, and blue smoke that represents the colors of the Thai flag. Meanwhile, visitors sat under the shade as they watched how the aircrafts demonstrated the method that the Royal Thai Air Force uses to conduct missions. Exhibits and games were also set up at the venue to showcase the Royal Thai Air Force equipment. The event was opened by Thai Air Force Chief Air Chief Marshal Angkatan Udara. It was conducted to inspire the youth and introduce them to the Royal Thai Air Force. In Thailand, Children's Day is celebrated annually on the second Saturday of January, and this year the special occasion fell on January 14.